Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to dive deep into reviewing and installing EnforceDoze, a powerful tool that can significantly boost your Android device's battery life. EnforceDoze is a fork of ForceDoze, a popular app that was once widely used to enhance battery life on Android devices. However, ForceDoze was no longer being maintained, so EnforceDoze was created to continue its legacy. Thanks to the dedicated work of developer EnforceDoze has become a go-to app for those seeking to optimize their device's power consumption. EnforceDoze offers a variety of features that work together to maximize battery life. Unlike the standard doze mode, which is activated under specific conditions, EnforceDoze forcefully enables doze mode immediately after your screen turns off. This means your device will enter a deep sleep state much faster, conserving energy. One of the key factors that can prevent doze from staying active is movement. EnforceDoze addresses this by disabling motion sensors, ensuring that doze remains engaged even if your device is not completely stationary. Biometric features like fingerprint and facial recognition can be resource-intensive. EnforceDoze allows you to disable these features while doze is active, further improving battery life. For even more aggressive battery savings, EnforceDoze can automatically disable Wi-Fi and mobile data connections when doze is active. EnforceDoze is a powerful tool that can significantly extend your Android device's battery life. By aggressively enabling doze mode, disabling motion sensors, and providing other advanced features, EnforceDoze helps your device conserve energy and stay powered on for longer periods. Whether you're a heavy user or simply want to get more out of your battery, EnforceDoze is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.